Meanwhile, families in Montgomery County have been sharing their frustration over what they're calling a lack of transparency from the school district surrounding an increase in suspected overdoses. We've learned last week of 2 suspected overdoses, and we've also learned that Narcan has been used 11 times so far this school year. District leaders told parents and students at a fentanyl forum over the weekend their hands are tied because of HIPAA. Legally, they can't share more information about these overdoses. So does HIPAA actually apply to schools? Here's Abby Larico to verify.
Hey Larry, good morning to you. So first, a reminder of what exactly we're talking about here. The HIPAA privacy rule is from the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It's a federal law to protect people's sensitive health information from being shared without their knowledge, according to the Department of Health and Human Services and the CDC.
The HHS specifies HIPAA is meant to prevent individually identifiable health information from being shared without that person's permission. But one thing people often forget, HIPAA only applies specifically to the following entities and their employees and associates: healthcare providers, health plans like insurance companies, and clearinghouses like billing companies. So no, HIPAA generally doesn't apply to school districts or most other organizations. However, schools do have access to private information like vaccination records, which are typically considered education records and protected under a different law, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA.
So you can think about it this way. Under FERPA, a school can't say Abby Larico was treated for a suspected overdose today. But schools will even still be hesitant and say vaguely a student was treated for a suspected overdose today because there's another non-official factor at play: the rumor mill. Students talk, they can figure things out and deduce private information that a student might not want public. And ultimately, schools do have a responsibility to protect student privacy and well-being. So how do they share information about medical emergencies? We'll talk about it at 6:30. With your Verify, I'm Abby Larico.